Selamat datang di channel Remaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan everybody. Nah, kembali lagi kita akan melihat dan mengamati perkembangan dari Putri Ariani. Kali ini dia mengover lagu. Ya, banyak orang luar negeri yang kaget dan shock guys. Karena Putri Ariani setiap membawakan lagunya pasti dengan penghayatan yang sangat-sangat tinggi sekali. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
Gorgeous.
Stuck in reverse.
She sounds good.
When you love someone but it goes to waste.
Yeah.
Could it be worse?
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih udah klik video ini. Jumpa lagi di Ablong Channel. Seperti biasa duluku di video kali ini gue pengen reaction lagi salah satu video dari Putri Ariani loh. Yang VQ ini ada beberapa kreator luar negeri yang mereaction Putri Ariani lur. Di video ini pun gue kasih tag bahasa Indonesia biar kita sama-sama mengerti apa yang di komentar mereka tentang Putri Ariani.
Oke, siap.
Daripada penasaran, langsung aja kita cek video sama-sama. Check it out. Oke.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the party. It's your girl Brit Reacts, and today we are reacting to This Is Fix You. It's a Coldplay cover by Putri Ariani.
Okay.
Ini cover dingin gitu katanya guys.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Halus banget loh ya.
You get what you want but not what you need.
Wow.
When you feel so tired but you can't sleep.
That is so beautiful with just her and the piano, kind of letting those chords ring out. And like I said, she's singing it almost like it's a whisper. It's very, very vulnerable, delicate.
When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse.
It doesn't sound real.
And the tears come streaming down your face. Could it be worse?
It's all with just letting those chords ring out in the arrangement and the way she's treating that vocal. It's so soft. It's like it makes you hang on every line. I mean, I've heard this song a billion times, but I'm still like hanging on every line to see what she's gonna say. It makes every line of the song hold more weight.
Lights will guide you home. Ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Well, I'm so sorry it ended kind of abruptly like that. You know, I jot down sometimes when I'm listening, and of course, angelic, the sweet young voice still, play. So this was beautiful. Her tone.
For note the bass.
Your bones, and I will try to fix you.
That vibrato right there. That is so like that's when it gives a little bit more of that jazzy, almost like if you ever heard Ella Fitzgerald sing the song back in the day. Try to fix you. It's so nice.
And I will try to fix you. Try.
Gorgeous. This song. And I think this is a song that can be important to so many people for so many different reasons. Like it can be interpreted, I think, in different ways, and I think depending on the season of life you're in or what you've been through, or I just think it's it's just like a universal song that like so many people can be touched by.
When you do love to let it go, but if you never try, you'll never know.
Isn't that true?
Just what you are.
Good one.
Itu lembut.
Lights will go.
Ah, and she's got like, with that vibrato right there, she's showing a little soul. Very, very gospel, R&B soul
Semua ya,
type.
semua rapper menyampaikan kalau dia tuh nyanyi pakai jiwa ya.
And I will try to fix you.
I don't want to stop you guys. Let's do this.
Tidak bisa berhenti dia.
Tears stream down on my face when you lose something.
It doesn't sound real. Like it sounds animated. And
Animasi.
it's like perfect, right? Like the whisper,
Bisikan yang lembut ya.
like she was observing this on, oh, it's so good, girl.
Sampai gemes guys.
Tears stream down your face.
That note.
I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down on your face. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Aw.
Oh, I love that ending too. I love that ending. Kind of just let it
Bagian akhirnya
ring
enak.
out right there.
Cicu.
Kind of let it wash over you there. Man, she's just got such a great voice and
Sangat bagus ya.
such an eclectic voice. I mean, in that right there, I heard some. I mean, I've said it before. I heard some R&B, some pop, some jazz. She can do it all, and I can't wait to see how far she goes on AGT. Thank you, guys.
Oke. Semua reaktor luar
terima kasih,
negeri
Bang.
mengatakan
Yuk
hampir
kita
sama.
deskripsikan sendiri. Terima kasih buat abangnya yang sudah mereaction, dan kita deskripsikan ya memang ini pembawaan dari Putri Ariani yang sangat-sangat lembut sekali guys. Pembawaannya dan penghayatannya bikin orang yang pertama menonton pasti merinding melihat yang ini. Wow, amazing, keren sekali. Dia menyampaikan pesan-pesan dari lagu itu dengan caranya sendiri dan dengan penghayatannya yang sangat-sangat luar biasa guys. Nggak salah lagi, Putri Ariani menjadi sebuah seseorang. Dia menjadi seseorang yang sangat-sangat fenomenal saat ini. Wow, amazing. Oke, dan kita dukung terus buat Putri Ariani untuk maju ke depan dan semangat tentunya, dan untuk mencapai cita-citanya kita sama-sama mendukung beautiful song dari Indonesia ini guys. Oke, terima kasih. Apa tanggapan kalian? Tulis di kolom komentar. Kita juga berdiskusi dan harapan-harapan apa aja yang ingin kalian sampaikan. Tulis di kolom komentar ya guys. Dan sekian video kali ini. Jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.